Hello, I'm Joe McCarthy, Senior Technical Marketing Engineer for Steel Central. I've put together a how-to demo script with a focus on NPM capabilities. The persona for this storyline is a NOC operator whose job is to monitor all the WAN links across the USA. So starting from Portal, we'll dive into the main view displaying all the WAN links, and this is where the demo begins. So we start on Portal 3, and under Custom Dashboards, make sure you click on Show More. Here you'll see the tile we want to use, WAN Links USA NPM use case. From here we can see all the WAN links across the USA, from data center, East Coast, Midwest, and West Coast. And on the East Coast tile, you can notice from the status bar that there's something going on. There's yellow and red identifying the spike that happened, and it's an unusual spike. So we want to investigate that further. From here I will right mouse button, launch, NetProfiler dashboards, and we'll go down to WAN Links USA. So you've seamlessly been taken from Portal to NetProfiler. And in this view, again, it shows all the different regions across the United States, data center, East Coast, Midwest, and West. And sure enough, on the East Coast, we see that spike. And we can identify it's from the Hartford WAN. So already we know the actual location where that issue is happening. From here, we want to investigate deeper. So we click on the spike, go into Interface Info Report, starting 1 hour ago. So now we're looking specifically at interface WAN router Hartford WAN metrics. So we're going to scroll down to outbound traffic by application port here. And now we can see that BitTorrent is the major user. In fact, it's using over 53% of the WAN link. And viewable from the graph or from the table, you can see what's going on. Now this is potentially a bad situation, could cause slowdowns within the Hartford office. So being able to identify the culprit immediately is critical to maintaining good user experience for this office. So now I want to dive deeper to find out the offending desktop or person. So let's hover over the top category, BitTorrent, right mouse button, go to traffic for this app with port, and we're going to add in by host pairs with ports. So this should show the actual hosts and the TCP ports using BitTorrent. So in this view, we want to scroll down to traffic breakdown by host pair with port. And here we see, sure enough, BitTorrent is the port. And it's being used by client desktop 18-154. So that is the offending desktop using BitTorrent. Well, that's great, but now we want to understand who are the users using desktop 18154. To find that information, hover over desktop 18154, right mouse, go to user report, starting 1 hour ago. And there you have it. This identifies the users of desktop 18154, so we can see that Bob Sellers and Alan Stanwyck were the users of that specific desktop using BitTorrent to congest the WAN link for the Hartford office. So with just a few clicks, Riverbed Steel Central was able to identify suspicious activity on the WAN link feeding to the Hartford office, determine the spike was caused by an unauthorized application, BitTorrent, so now you know where to focus. It narrowed the search down to the desktop that was used for this activity, which was desktop 18-154, and it displayed the users that performed the functions. So the main takeaway from this demo is to show how a low-level NOC operator was able to easily identify anomalous behavior on one of the WAN links and was able to go from a very high-level view, Portal, and continually dive deeper using NetProfiler to quickly identify the specific people that were using an unauthorized application, BitTorrent, on desktop 18-154, which is consuming over 50% of the Hartford WAN link. Now this demo identifies people using an unauthorized application. This could have also been a DDoS attack, maybe a network device or interface gone bad. Possibly a new application was just deployed and was experiencing code issues. The point being, with Riverbed Steel Central, we have the unique ability to interrogate application, network, server and client, and end user experience type issues, all viewable from a single pane of glass portal, all the way down to code level if necessary. Thanks for watching, and good selling.